In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix blurry pictures on the Instagram story. If you are trying to post a picture to your Instagram story but it turns out blurry, don't worry, I've got you covered. So in today's video, you are going to learn about how to fix it. So let's get started. The number one step is to check your internet connection. Check your internet connection. Sometimes a slow connection can cause your photo to load improperly. For that, switch between Wi-Fi and data, and you can simply switch to better Wi-Fi connection. You can also try to turn on the airplane mode, and after some time simply turn it off. Step 2 is to resize your photo before uploading. Instagram recommends uploading photos that are around 1080 pixels wide for the best quality. If your image is too large, Instagram will compress it, and that's when the blurriness happens. So make sure you resize your photo perfectly. Step 3 is to avoid using Instagram's built-in features on low-quality images. While filters can be fun, they can also make the blurriness worse. Stick to enhancing brightness or contrast in your editing apps first, and only apply filters later if needed. Another step is to update Instagram app. For that, go to the App Store and open the Instagram app just like this. Then tap onto Instagram, and if there is the update version, simply update it. Sometimes blurry pictures are due to bugs in older versions of the app. And finally, if all fails, just try re-uploading your story. Sometimes glitches happen and re-uploading the photo can fix the issue. And that's it. Those are my top tips to fix blurry pictures on your Instagram story. Hopefully you are now ready to post your crisp, clear photos with no blur. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.